Hi, good morning. My name is Mr. Osaru Wensei. I am a trauma orthopedic consultant and I work in the United Kingdom. I also do some work, affiliate work back home in Nigeria, working out of the Duchess Hospital, Reddington Hospital, and also other hospitals across the country. I'm here today in India, been kindly invited by the Meril group because of my exposure to their products while working in Nigeria, specifically the Freedom range of total knee replacement products, including their PCK revisions, and also total hip replacement products, Latitude. It's been an exciting conference so far, this 22nd Masters Conference. It's been great to engage with my local Indian colleagues and learn from them as much as I can also impart my experience to them. But what's been quite fascinating has been the tour of the Meril facilities and the production line that they have. Certainly, we can attest that these products are of the highest quality. We've seen the production process. We've also seen evidence of the quality of their work in terms of patient outcome, longevity studies of their products. So I'm quite pleased and I'm confident in using their products back home in Nigeria. I also reflect on the fact that it's an opportune time to practice trauma orthopedics back home in Nigeria, and an opportune time that Meril has stepped into the country to bridge the gap in prosthesis and implant supply, and also in instrumentation supply. There was a time when we couldn't get these products for our patients locally, but they've not only come and provided these products, they're also providing training of the local surgeons and exposing them to not just their products, but even up-to-date modern techniques. The highlight of this trip has been looking at the Missio robotic product of Meril and how it works and how it's been used. Certainly, it's a game changer, and hopefully we're looking that this will be introduced into the Nigerian market. So once again, I would like to thank Meril for this opportunity and congratulate them on exquisite quality products that they produce and we are now using back in Nigeria. Thank you.